Ever wondered how a profit and loss statement can help your small business? Well, let's delve into its mystery. It's more than just a document, it's the pulse of your business, a reflection of its financial health. It tells you where your money's coming from and where it's going. It's a detailed account of your revenues, costs, and expenses over a period of time. In the world of business, a profit and loss statement is your map to treasure, or sometimes, a warning sign of a sinking ship. Meet Jane, a new entrepreneur who started her small bakery shop. Jane is a master of her craft, turning plain flour into mouth-watering pastries and cakes. But like many new entrepreneurs, Jane found herself puzzled when it came to managing her business finances. In the beginning, she was just keeping track of her income and expenses, but she couldn't really tell if her business was actually profitable. She was making sales, sure, but was she making money? Or was she just covering her costs? It was like trying to navigate a ship without a compass. Then, she discovered the profit and loss statement. Suddenly, things started to make sense. She could see her total revenue, the cost of her ingredients, her overhead expenses, and most importantly, her net profit. It was like turning on a light in a dark room. Jane's bakery was booming, but without a profit and loss statement, she was navigating in the dark. Jane, like many new entrepreneurs, found the profit and loss statement a bit intimidating at first. It's like a puzzle, but instead of shapes and colors, we have numbers and financial terms. Let's take Jane's bakery as an example. At the top of the statement, we find revenue. This is the total dough Jane rakes in from selling her delicious pastries. Then we have cost of goods sold, or COGS. This is the cost of the raw materials like flour and sugar used to bake those goodies. Next up, we have operating expenses. These are costs related to running the bakery, like rent and salaries. Subtract the COGS and operating expenses from the revenue, and voila, we have the net income. This is the slice of the pie that Jane actually gets to keep. With a profit and loss statement, Jane was now in control. She knew where her money was going and, more importantly, where it was coming from. With a better understanding of her financial situation, Jane could make informed business decisions. She was able to pinpoint areas of high expenditure, like her extravagant frosting purchases, and low revenue, such as the underperforming gluten-free line. With these insights, she strategized, cutting back on costly ingredients and promoting her best sellers. This savvy approach boosted her profits, turning her small bakery into a thriving hub of sweet delights. A profit and loss statement is more than just numbers on a page. For Jane, it was a tool that transformed her small bakery into a profitable business.